Good morning, teacher. My name is Rosa de Pilar Garcia da Cruz. I am a studying at the Swiss Public Higher Technology Institute, majoring in tourism operation management. This morning we will visit the Santa Rosa waterfall. Join us. We travel along the Federico Basadre Highway, show a lot of vegetation. And after a long journey, we made a stop at the Piri Piri's chocolate shop, tasted artisanal chocolate and took pictures. We passed through the Padre Abad court. It was a beautiful experience. After a 15-minute walk, we arrived at the waterfall. The Santa Rosa waterfall is located in the province of Hyderabad in the department of Ucayali, Peru. It is very beautiful. Come and enjoy it, and you will take with you a wonderful experience.